I wanna scream out loud because it's Tifa, but I'll be such nuisance. So I'll just say Tifa. Wow, I finally received my Tifa. Even though I know this release is probably not too well received, I can't be sure because they're still on sale. We at oRiceBucket present to you Tifa Lockhart, everyone's dream girl. Without further ado and without forgetting Play Arts Kai horrible track record, let's find out if Tifa is the girl next door sweetheart or if they mistakenly put Zack's face on Tifa's body. Here we have Tifa Lockhart from Final Fantasy VII Remake. We have a red Play Arts Kai logo printed on the box. On top of the box, it says Static Arts, which means this is a non-posable figure. On the bottom, Tifa Lockhart dress version in English and Japanese. A nice Play Arts voice sticker for you to verify its authenticity. Also, the box is in see-through and it will be great for you guys who keep figures in their boxes. We have a really nice round base. I prefer my base simple so it fits with my environment. Basic black bases are easiest to work with. The metal packs give it a really premium feel. I'm sure this won't wear out with time. Right off the box, the figure is quite heavy, and heavy makes figure more substantial. The first thing that caught my eye was how the legs were painted like beige powdered snow. I'll gladly pay my aesthetic doctor to give me such nice skin. Moving forward to the shoes, we have them in nice purple, slightly matte. We can even see the base of the shoes looking like grey rubber. Nice black trimmings with very small golden studs. Honestly, if I had to paint the studs myself, it wouldn't look that great. Even the laces on the shoes have details for little ornaments. This time, Square Enix blew my mind. However, if you look closely, there is a little hole in the skin at the left foot. This is pretty unfortunate, but it can't be seen by the naked eye. By the way, the videos on my channel goes up to 4K, so please try the function to see Tifa in detail. Sculpting on the legs are pretty impressive. They look human, especially with the muscles around the knees. Really like this addition to the figure. There is no shading to the legs, which is a plus for me, because natural light will cast a good shadow on the legs. The proportion on the legs look like a young adult shoe, but isn't Tifa a boxer? I guess she skipped leg days here. The belt is fitted with some white ornaments and flowers. The flowers look like they popped out from the figure. The creases on the torso also really bring out the body shape of Tifa. One of the best things is that the sculpt was actually able to portray tightness at the torso. This is another great one. Finally, I can tell my audience this is a Tifa head sculpt. I'll leave the interpretation to you. Do tell me what you think about the head sculpt in the comments below, but I'm pretty happy with this one. We have her iconic bangs and her head really represents her hair in the game. No visible seam lines. The hair cascading to the front definitely adds more realism to the head sculpt. Speaking about the hair, I would love to point out, if you haven't realized, the sculptor was actually able to make the hair look thin and fine. We have all the hair look like it is resting on the body with gravity, flowing nicely and looking thin. You can try to run your fingers around her hair, but let me remind you that she is plastic. The eyes are painted differently from price figure. The eyeliner gives depth. The pupils shine in a little gloss and also in Tifa's signature red. The brows are textured even on a very small scale figure. I like that the lips are sculpted too, and we have some nice 3D effects. Color is light pink and pretty subtle. I don't think I have spoken so much about a head sculpt before. While we are reviewing, let's go back in time to look at some versions of Tifa. First up, we have a PlayArtSky third-party Tifa head sculpt. I believe for this, the eyes and the lips were too small. The makeup was too exaggerated too. I was unlucky to get the first batches of Tifa PlayArtSky. The original Tifa, wider face, also sharper. It doesn't look too Tifa, but now that I see it again, it definitely looks better than it was the first time I've seen it. We have a third one. This one is an official replacement from Square Enix. Let's just say it doesn't work. So I'm using the third-party Tifa head sculpt for the PlayArtSky version of Tifa, and I must say the static dress version really blew my mind. My final verdict, this is an extremely pricey figure, but I would say purchase the figure if you can afford it. I prefer this version to the PlayArtSky version with visible joints, and given that Square Enix licensing is so strict, I would spend a little extra to keep this with me. No, I'm not sponsored, and I will dispose of the box to keep this Tifa in my room for a long time. To all my viewers, you have my deepest gratitude. Thank you for your patronage, and if you love the video, do like the video and subscribe for more videos about figures. I wish you all a great day. Bust out your wallets because we have an awesome Tifa.